Welcome to the 7th chapter of the course Pareto for Developer. In this chapter we will talk about something really important that could cause a huge difference on your performance as a developer. We will talk about communication. We could write an entire book about communication. That's a whole subject you should practice your entire life. Let's start. First of all, reasons why being a good communicator. Number 1. Your features are not an island. They work within a lot of other features being built by others' team members. You need to communicate with those guys in order to make the whole thing work. Number 2. Your features belong to clients. This means that someone will use your code with only one reason: make their work life a bit better. Your job is make their life a bit better. That means you need to communicate with those guys too. Number 3. Your features make other teams' member work. For example, testers, infrastructure team, account managers team. They need to understand what you did, how it works, how it can be deployed. This means that you need to communicate with these guys too. I have a lot more examples on where you can see that you are not working alone in the world. You work with other persons, and the communication with these persons is something very important for the success of the project. Bad communication costs a lot of money. If you are able to communicate well and make the company spend less money because of these problems, I'm sure your boss will be more than happy because of that. Here are some tips to make you a better communicator. Number 1. Good communication does not mean more communication. Sometimes to communicate better, you just need to be able to say less things, but without affecting the message. That's not easy. Think about this. How many things you need to know about a car before buying it? Perhaps around 6 to 10 things. If the salesman starts talking and after half an hour he keeps saying things about the car, you probably leave the place. The same is about your job. How many things does your tester need to know about the feature you are delivering? Probably around 6 to 10 things are enough for him to complete his part. The same applies to your boss. Some developers think that writing long emails will impress their boss. Let me say that it's just the opposite. Number 2. As you may notice, this video is just a part of a certain lesson from the course Pareto for Developers. You can access the full material following the link in the video's description. You can also subscribe to the channel for other great videos we are sharing here. That's all for now. Goodbye.